Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. And as you can see, I'm at a piano today and not a guitar. The reason I'm here is because we're starting our second lesson on major scales. And today we're going to talk about intervals. The reason we're talking about intervals is because to make it to the next lesson, we need to understand a little bit about intervals. We're going to talk about intervals throughout the chromatic scale, which is all 12 pitches that you can play within the range of two alike notes. Then we're also going to talk about the intervals in a major scale. So let's get started. So I'm going to start on middle C, and I'm just going to go through what the intervals are, what they're called, and I'm going to play them separate, and then I'm going to play them together so that you can kind of hear what they sound like. So I'm going to start on the note C, and a half step away is called a minor second. So that's a minor second. Major second is a whole step away. Minor third is 1.5 steps away. A major third is 2 steps away, 2 whole steps, so 1, 2. A perfect fourth, so notice that we did minor and major. Fourths, fifths, and octaves are all called perfect intervals. And you'll kind of hear it in the sound. We use perfect intervals for resolution, so they seem more sturdy, and we'll get to that a little bit later. But a perfect fourth is 2.5 steps. All right, so this is an augmented fourth or a diminished fifth. So perfect goes to either diminished if it goes lower, or augmented if it goes higher. So right here, this note from C is either a diminished fifth or an augmented fourth. So major, if it goes lower, a major interval, if it goes lower, goes to minor. A minor interval, if it goes higher, goes to major. And then if a major interval goes even higher, then that would be an augmented interval. So let's look at this. So we've got C to F sharp is a augmented fourth or a diminished fifth, and then a C to a G is a perfect fifth, and then a C to an A flat is a minor sixth, a C to an A is a major sixth, and then a C to a B flat is a minor seventh, and then a C to a B is a major seventh, and then a C to a C is a perfect octave. All right, so that's in the chromatic scale. So I'm going to go through it just playing them together. So minor second, major second, minor third, major third, perfect fourth, diminished fifth or augmented fourth, perfect fifth, minor sixth, major sixth, minor seventh, major seventh, and a perfect octave. All right, and so in a major scale, the intervals are all major. So from the first note in the scale to the second note in the scale is a major second. So, and then the first note to the third note is a major third. First note to the fourth note is a perfect fourth. First note to the fifth note is a perfect fifth. First note to the sixth note is a major sixth. And the first note to the seventh note is a major seventh. And then the last one, a perfect octave, C to C. All right, and so the reason we need to know these things is the next thing we're going to look at is using the notes of a major scale, we're going to see what chords are made. So remember those intervals because they're going to work together in the next lesson to learn chords. So see you next time, guys. If you enjoyed this video, click subscribe below. And if you want to learn major scales, then check out the video that will be after this lesson on my screen. See you next time.